Howdy, my name is Bailey Falk.
I'm Eddie Phillips, and we made Lumos.
So, some background. It is well known that companies on the internet are not incentivized to give high quality, accurate information and are rather incentivized to give more polarizing information that agitates its users and engages them more. Additionally, the adoption of LLMs means that in general, less unique information will be available on the internet as companies are incentivized to flood the internet with as much generic content as possible in a desperate attempt to get user attention, which is why we made Lumos. So, what exactly is Lumos? Well, Lumos is a search engine that looks to aggregate similar articles without discounting their values or their value. Questions about popular topics that elicit a lot of articles that generally say the same thing will be presented to users in a grouped format that puts the highlight on more unique viewpoints. Users will no longer be forced to scroll through tens or even hundreds of search results in the end, uh, sorry, that in the end provide the same information. Lumos is compatible with Bing, Google, and Yahoo search APIs. Let's see what it thinks about flat earthers. So, let's see. Let's type in the query, is the earth flat? All right. So, we're first presented with a details plot where we're able to see um all of the information that our search API gathered. What will happen is we'll vectorize all these websites using a natural language processor. And then once they're in a discrete format, the cosine similarity is taken between each vector and plotted on a graph. After the graph, we use a k-means clustering with the elbow method to group results and identify outliers. Next, we also have a credibility score. So what we do, and I'll explain this for the next one. Let's see. We're gonna see. Let's take a look at a more controversial topic. Maybe what's happening in Hamas with Israel. So with this, what we do is we also find a credibility score, right? Um, and this is found by looking at the author of the article, the domain name of the article, and then cross-referencing that with a database that tracks how many times the author has been cited and their experience with the topic they're talking about. This way, we're able to crack down on misinformation and ensure that people understand who is really putting out this opinion. So, yeah. And then now let's talk about like the so what. What's significant about this? Well, this is great and all, but we want to have a huge impact with Lumos. We believe that it is the next step in cracking down on misinformation and ensuring that all people have easy access to different viewpoints, no matter what their background or education level is.